How to buy gift card with Amazon gift card. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can actually buy a gift card using your Amazon gift card on the Amazon app. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to do that, I'm going to open up the Amazon app, but you can go to the Amazon.com on your computer. The process is quite similar. And once you're here inside your Amazon homepage, you just need to search for the gift card that you want to buy. So let's say I'm going to search for Xbox gift card, for example, and I'm going to search for it, and he'll get to see the gift card. So now let's go ahead and select the gift card that you want to buy. So let's say I'm going to pick up this one, and from here, first thing first, you just need to select the amount. Let's say I'm going to select the $10. And then you just need to select the quantity from here, and then simply go and tap on add to cart. And once you do that, this will be added to a cart. Then go ahead and tap on this cart icon, and he'll get to see the gift card has been added to my cart. Then simply go and tap on proceed to checkout, and here it's going to give you the option to add a payment method. You can add your credit or debit card, but at the bottom right here, he'll get to see the add a gift card, promo code, or voucher. You can toggle on this option, and it's going to give you the option to enter the gift card code or promo code or voucher. You can enter this one, and you can go through this process, and you can buy this gift card with your Amazon gift card, promo code, or voucher. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.